making station squishy like slime kit thingamajigger. And it's got a whole bowl thing, whole contraption thing going on. I actually got this a while ago. My sister actually got it for me because she saw it at Ross. She said it's very interesting, so she got it for me, and I've actually had it for like 5 months or so. I don't know. I've had it for a very, very long time, so I decided to finally test it out. So yeah, all right. And today's like my challenge to be trying to press like, but with your wrist. Let's get straight on into the video, yo! Getting into the video, we're gonna open this first, which I absolutely hate. If you guys are an OG, you know that I absolutely hate opening things. So it's got a giant bowl thing right here, and it looks very interesting. It's got like this whole thing going on. Okay, all right. And then we got the instructions. We got slime packs. Oh, it's one of those slime powder ones. All right, we got a bunch of glitter and these little slime ball holders, which are really cool. So first we gotta read the instructions. So it says water amount. It has like a little thingy-majigger, 2 packets of powder. I'm just confused on that, but I guess we'll figure it out. Anyway, so first use the provided measuring cup to add correct amount of water in the station. So I guess that's just the amount of slime you want, maybe. So I guess I'm gonna do 2. Or maybe I should do 1 just to try it out. I'm gonna do 1 to try it out first. So we got the little measuring cup. I like the measuring cup. Put that in there, I guess. And then pour powder packets into measuring cup. I'm gonna do blue. All right, so, oh my God, why is there so much tape? So 2 packets of powder into the measuring cup. All right. Okay, so while we do this, while we get all the powder, the third direction says add powder into powder holder on stand. It says put it into the powder holder, which I'm gonna guess is this, but that's not really gonna hold it. That's just gonna pour it, which doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm gonna read the next direction. Grab the handle and start spinning forwards and backwards until you make sure you spin in both directions. All right, I'm gonna guess that this is the holder. Alrighty, so basically it just says to add it into here, and then to just start going like this. Then to keep doing it in both directions. And then, once you have made it, you have to wait for it to not be sticky anymore, which I have no idea when that is going to be. This is interesting. Whole slime machine right here, guys. It's making like a paste texture. Still has like 1 chunk here I'm trying to get rid of, but I can't. Mix! Alright, I think I am all done. I think I mixed it all. Alright, I guess you're just gonna leave this for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and we're gonna check up on it, see? It basically says once you have a creation, let it sit until it's not sticky, so.
15 minutes later.
So it's been like 15 minutes, guys. So let's see. Whoa, it actually worked. I was a little skeptical about this. I knew it was gonna like goo up, but I didn't know it was gonna lay like this. Like, whoa, it's actually not sticky. Whoa. It actually worked a lot better than I expected. There's still a bit sticky parts, but maybe if I just knead it, you know? I actually did make a slime like this. They have like little containers now, and it did not end up like this. Like they were bad. I don't know what I did, but something happened. This one actually turned out pretty good. That is interesting. It actually worked. Okay, so now it said to go ahead and add some of these glitters, which, okay, 1 second, guys. Let me just go ahead and destroy everything really quick. It says you can go ahead and decorate your slime now with glitters, but I don't really think that this slime is gonna look really good with these glitters because it's just not the type of slime, you know? But, all right. No, it doesn't look that bad. I honestly didn't think it was gonna like mix together, you know, because like the slime is like super like it's kind of stretchy. It's like not really rippy. It is rippy, but it's not that rippy. All right, well this slime isn't that bad. The only problem with it is that it's not really like homemade slime. There's glitter all over my hands. Anyways, it's not really like homemade slime, so that's the only problem. And also, it doesn't mix very well in the little container. All right, guys, we're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna put all the packets together, like all of them, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so basically 1 cup of water is for 2 packets of powder. So we're gonna need about 7 cups of water, and we're gonna put all the packets. So let me just go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's 7. All right, we have 7 cups of water. I wonder how this is gonna turn out, because now we're gonna have a lot of slime. And I don't really think you need to put it in the cup first. I think you just put it right here. Like, I don't understand what the cup is for. All right, we got the orange. I hate these packages. Can they like make them a little bit better? Like, not better, but like just easier to get the powder out of? Or am I just really bad at opening things? Put that on the side or in the middle, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out a better way to open it because like it doesn't come out. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Alrighty, let's mix this. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh, I think there's just a chunk, guys. We're gonna need to kind of like sift it. Oh my god, I'm just gonna knead this with my hand. This doesn't look very good. Alright, well, if you have this thing, don't put it in chunks or else it'll just chunk up. Alright, I'm just gonna mix this, finish mixing this, and I'm gonna clean my hands. Oh my god, this is a mess. It's gone wrong, guys. It got wrong. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this really fast. Okay, I'm done. Alright, here's the beautiful slime. Here's the beautiful slime, guys. We're gonna go ahead and leave this for 15 or 20 or 600. I don't know how many minutes. We're just gonna leave it for 15 minutes though. And we're gonna come back and see what happens. First, well, I mean, while I do that, I'm gonna wash my hands because I don't think I need to explain why.
75 years later.
Alrighty, guys, so I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a while. Okay. Oh, not bad. Just put that right there. Not bad. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and go like that. I wanna see that. That's a bad idea. Never mind. Okay, let's go ahead and try and peel it. It's kind of gooey still, kind of sticky, but maybe if I knead it. It really sucks because like once you get those little chunks in there, they don't go away. They stay there. Like I don't even think you can knead it. It's getting less sticky. All right, well here it is. Here's how it turned out. I think just sticking to one color would probably be better. This wasn't as cool as I imagined it to be. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add some glitter though. Let's go ahead and add some glitter. I don't think glitter can help this though. It looks like a big vomit pile. All right, I want to go ahead and clean this all up, and I have one more thing for you guys, so just wait 1 second. So guys, we made this with this. Now, can we make some regular homemade slime with this? All right, so let's try this. Okay, so I got some Elmer school glue here. So I'm just gonna put like that much. And I'm gonna add some water because I think it's definitely gonna be too thick if I don't. And I think it would need like more little sticks. So I'm gonna add some water to try and kind of help it make it thinner, you know. There's some water to there. I think that should be good. All right, and then we're gonna add some glitter. And we're gonna make it pink. All right, let's do this. Let's see what happens. Let me hold it. The glitter looks so cool when it's going through there. Okay, well so far it's not mixing too well. Maybe I mix it faster. Seems like it's working better. Alrighty, I think that's mix it better like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get some activator now. Alright, we're gonna add some activator. Alright, let's do this, guys. You think it's gonna work? I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I feel like I'll get a majority of the job done. Ooh, it seems like it's kind of working. In the middle. It's just going to the middle, what the heck? All right, I think I need some more activator. Seems like it's working. 1 second, I think I need to clean this really quick, guys. But it's working, look at that. Okay, I think this slime is getting too thick for it already. But I'm trying. I think we need a bit more activator. It keeps going into like the middle. Alright, that's enough. Well, that's the slime I made. It basically just goes to the middle. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Added some more activator and I spreaded it out a little bit. I think that's all I'm gonna do because I don't think I can do it anymore. It's too thick now. Alrighty, here it is, guys. I kind of had to knead it with my hand still, but it's pretty good. Alright, guys, so to be honest, this thing was actually pretty cool. Like, it's like a machine thingamajigger. And it actually makes the slime pretty well. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was gonna be a little too hard, but it actually did a pretty good job. Guys, we almost forgot. We have a little container ball thingamajiggers. Let's go ahead and put some slime in it. So we have this slime right here. You know what'd be cool? If we put like glitter in the ball before we put, that was a lot. Ooh, that looks cool. Look at that. Open it. Oh, it's a bit sticky to this. That looks cool. All right, we have a blue one here. The blue one we first made. It'd be cool if you like put some glitter in the middle. I'm trying to make holes in it so it stay. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh no, it overfilled. Whatever, it's still cool. Just act like nothing's happening. Ta-da! And you open it. Oh well, that actually stuck together pretty well. And there's a glitter surprise. That actually turned out pretty good. Alright guys, you guys comment down below if you like this video or press that like button. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.